ऑर्थोक्लिनल प्लेन। यदि आपने अभी देखा होगा, दिस इज एन यूरेशियन प्लेट and during the collision of Indian Gondwana plate, first which plate has been collided? Which syntaxian band? Western syntaxian band. Yes. And when the western syntaxian band has been collided, so suppose ये पूरा mass है and mass is moving with the some velocity, is the momentum, and then first western syntaxian band has been collided, then the what I said that under then फिर इसकी speed रुक गई, this section speed has been stopped. But momentum, अब ये mass move करेगा and this mass is less, then automatically its velocity will increase. So under the conservation of momentum, better to say angular momentum, torque and all, under the what is a conservation of angular momentum, the speed of eastern syntaxian bend has been increased and they have been collided like a slam shutting of the door. जैसे door आपका क्या होता है? I said that if the door is, if it has been collided like this and then फिर आप दरवाजा कभी गुस्से में बंद करते हो तो ऐसे होता है. So the eastern syntaxian bend under the conservation of angular momentum collided like in a slam shutting of the door phenomena, and eastern Himalaya is highly uplifted. Eastern Himalaya has been highly uplifted. Understood? And it has been uplifted like this, and Shivalik range or eastern Himalayas if I am talking about, I said that middle Himalayas it is in a softer Himalayas, and then Shivalik it is in a softer Himalayas, sediment se bana tha. They due to under the very, I said that high compressional force, they have been merged. They have been, so there is no separate middle Himalayas and Shivalik range. So in the eastern side in Arunachal Pradesh, if you will see that which Himalayas, middle Himalayas and Shivalik range has been merged. So in the Arunachal Pradesh only two ranges you will see. Only two ranges, not three ranges. Understood it? Or that the reason of what I said that ये सारा mountain कैसे uplift हो गया like this, and therefore in front of the Bihar become what? Perpendicular in front of the Himalayas. Understood? Therefore it is known as Bihar plain is known as orthoclinal plain. और उसी के पास, और आपको यदि if you remember कभी मैंने बोला होगा earthquake में भी, क्योंकि इसी के पास यहाँ पर एक ऐसा रीज है, मुंगेर सहरसा दरभंगा रीज. क्या है? इन द बिहार देयर इज इन मुंगेर सहरसा दरभंगा. और ये जब स्लैम सेटिंग हुआ तो इसने ज्यादा फोर्स दिया, और जैसे ही हुआ तो यहाँ पे माउंट एवरेस्ट बन गया. यहाँ पे हायर पिक्स क्यों है? बिकॉज ऑफ विच? मुंगेर सहरसा. तो ये इसने फोर्स दिया, ये सॉफ्ट था, लेकिन इसी के साथ ये क्या है? मुंगेर सहरसा दरभंगा रीज विच हैज गिवन एक्स्ट्रा फोर्स, एंड यहां पर खत्म हो रहा है. बिहार के इस रीजन में सासाराम तक आते आते क्या होता है? विंध्या रेंज फिनिश्ड? यस और नॉट? विंध्या रेंज इज एग्जिस्टिंग फ्रॉम चित्तौड़गढ़ इन राजस्थान टिल सासाराम इन बिहार. एंड उसके बाद कौन सा ये है? मुंगेर सहरसा, एंड इट हैज गिवन द फोर्स. और ये जैसे टकराया यहाँ पे माउंट एवरेस्ट, मकालू, Mansalu, Choyu, different kind of higher peaks of mountain has been uplifted, and nearby Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Able to see? And therefore we can say that higher peaks in the eastern Himalaya, not in the western Himalaya. So orthoclinal plane. So write down. When western syntaxian bend collided with Eurasian plate and clogged का मतलब फंस गया, clogged like hinge of the door, and clogged CLOGGED, clogged like hinge of the door. कैसे फंस गया? यस टेल मी. hinge of the, जैसे दरवाजे का कब्जा होता है, that kind of it फंस गया वो. clogged like hinge of the door. Therefore under conservation of angular momentum, therefore under the conservation of angular momentum, eastern syntaxian bend moving with high speed comparatively, collided with Eurasian plate, like a slam shutting of the door phenomena, Such high collision uplifted eastern Himalaya higher and steeper. Himalayas are uplifted near to perpendicular in front of Bihar plain, Therefore, Bihar plain is known as orthoclinal plane. Therefore, Bihar plain is known as orthoclinal plane. And in front of the Bihar plain, Munger, Saharsa, Darbhanga ridge, part of Indian Gondwana plate, put more thrust to make higher peaks like Mount Everest, Makalu, Mansalu, Choyu, CHHO-U, Choyu, in Nepal, and Kanchenjunga in Sikkim Himalayas. Understood? Clear? ये इस प्रकार से कोलिजन अटैचमेंट, तो इसका मतलब है ईस्टर्न हिमालय इज मोर प्रोन टू लैंडस्लाइड नेचुरली एंड जोग्राफिकली. एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकली नहीं, एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकली सबसे ज्यादा डिफॉरेस्टेशन किधर होता है? वेस्टर्न हिमालयस में. तो एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकली वो सबसे ज्यादा हो गया. फॉरेस्ट हीट आती है तो सारा सॉइल इरोजन होगा. Change the para. At the same time, such high collision causes mixing and merging of Shivalik range and middle Himalayas. Shivalik range and middle Himalayas. Such high collision, next point. अच्छा, in Arunachal Pradesh में merging of middle Himalayas and Shivalik range in Arunachal Pradesh. उसके बाद next point. Such high collision causes devoid of valleys in eastern Himalayas. Devoid of valleys in eastern Himalayas. So इतना ज़्यादा generally mountains and valleys बनता है, but इतना ज़्यादा force था कि it has been formed, like I said that. So there is no valley in the eastern Himalaya. So the eastern Himalaya is devoid of, and why? The reason behind very high force. एक जनरल फोर्स होता है, लेकिन यहां पर किसने किया है? एक फंस गया, सारा फोर्स किसको सप्लाई कर दिया? रेस्ट को. So therefore there is a comparatively more force. Understood it? Now the next point, why? Next point, why? लिखेंगे why Greater Himalaya is a continuous structure, but Middle and Shivalik Himalayas and Shivalik ranges are discontinuous and broken. Discontinuous and broken. Have you seen, like I said, that when this Indian Gondwana plate is going, तो क्या आपको क्या लगता है? ये तो ऐसे जा रहा था, बाद में ये ऐसे बन गया. Understood it? So when it was forming, तो ये क्या completely soft होगा या कहीं कहीं hard भी होगा? It is not completely soft. There will be some kind of, yes, you know that there is a Bundelkhand gneiss, Baghelkhand gneiss. Yes or not? There are some are hard. Some harder structures are also along with this. So when they have collided, then the Greater Himalaya is supported by hard core, hard igneous rock as a core. But Middle Himalayas and Shivalik range are made up of, yes, made up of softer sedimentary rocks. Therefore, the Middle Himalayas and Shivalik has been, what is it? ये portion ये टूट कर जैसे Middle Himalaya जैसे जा रहा है, तो Middle Himalayas का ये portion यहाँ कम force लगा और ये Middle Himalayas ये यहाँ चला गया. So Middle Himalayas and Shivalik range has been what? Broken. Understood? But the harder core of Greater Himalaya maintain it continuous structure. केवल यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टूटा वो है जास्कर रेंज. समझ में आया? कॉर्नर पे सॉफ्ट था, that has moved little northward. Understood? Clear? So write down, during the collision of Indian Gondwana plate, collision का मतलब ही होता है continental. During the collision of Indian Gondwana plate with the Eurasian plate, and this is the base of the Himalaya. This is the base of, ये क्या बोलोगे? ये triangle है ना? ये triangle structure है. तो I said that the base of, Indian Gondwana plate put differential force, और ये apex हो गया. ऐसा ना? The base of triangular Indian Gondwana plate, base of triangular Indian Gondwana plate exerted differential force and such differential force cannot affected Greater Himalayas since it has a hard core and it keep on uplifting, but hard core with what? Granitic. But Middle Himalayas and Shivalik range, Middle Himalayas and Shivalik range are made up of softer sedimentary rocks, therefore they have been broken and not continuous. Broken and not continuous. Only on the western extreme, Greater Himalaya was little broken as a Jaskar range. As a clear? As a what? Jaskar range. Clear? So, आप लोग क्या देखोगे ग्रेटर हिमालय में? ग्रेटर हिमालयास क्या देखोगे? It is in a complete feature.